Hello.
Yes, sir.
ये था जो कोशिश था एक तो maybe I can move on with someone else. हाँ हाँ क्या हाँ तो मैं कोई 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 खास फर्क पड़ा नहीं इतना समझ में आ गया.
Hello. Is my screen visible now?
क्या बोले हो?
Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir. Today we are going to do one numerical on this duo binary pulse. Okay. So we discussed the block diagram of the duo binary pulse. This was the block diagram. I have again drawn I modified a little bit. I just add this part. This is nothing but line coder. We know that. Listen carefully. We know that we have bits. Okay, we have generated some bits which has to be transmitted. Before transmitting, all the bits should be assigned with some voltage level. So normally it is called as level. Then pulse will generate. The process of generating pulse, bit to pulse. This is your bit. This is your assigned voltage level on the bits. So how we are achieving this one? By using line coding techniques. Various line coding techniques are there. Okay. then then this is now bit. We are assigning some voltage level by using line coding technique. Then we are getting some pulses. Okay, that is denoted by BLP. P denotes polar. BL is a bit which is assigned with some voltage level. Then the things we are denoting by BLP. Okay, that means suppose you have 0, we are denoting it by -1 volt. Remember, this is volt, this is bit. Digit 1, we are denoting it by +1 volt. So this is the voltage level. These are assigned on these bits. That is the process of line coding, basic concept or definition of line coding. After that, we know that this BLP is directly coming to the summer, and the BLP is coming through some delay element to the summer. That was the block diagram. Just I added this part because this part should be there. Okay. Then CL is generated. CL is nothing but the summation of this plus this. CL is generated. This whole thing is nothing but your transmitter section. Some channel will be there. Then receiver section will be there. Channel, we know that HIT or HIF, all the things we have discussed. And after the channel, we got HF, some expression we got there. Frequency response expression. Okay. Now CL is transmitted. Bit. CL bit, some bits, some voltage level, not bit, some voltage level is transmitted. The same CL is received as it is without any error. Suppose two cases may be there. Or if with error it will be received at the receiver, then we are denoting it by RL. That means two things. CL is transmitted without any error. CL is transmitted with some error. So if CL is transmitted without any error, then we are considering it as CL only. If CL is received at the receiver with some error, then CL is, we are denoting the CL by RL. Okay. Now from this CL or from this RL, what we have to get back? We have to get back the voltage level. The voltage level, that means this CL or RL, which we have received. What is the difference between CL and RL? CL is without any error, we are receiving the bits or voltage level. RL is we are receiving voltage level with some error. So both the things we have to consider. Okay. Now, so from the CL, our target is to get back the voltage level, and from the voltage level, we can consider that which bit was transmitted. So the reverse process. That means here BL, BLP, CL at the transmitter, then CL is transmitted, or RL is CL is transmitted at the receiver. We are receiving CL or RL, and we are performing the reverse process. That means from CL to BLP, from BLP to the bit. So this is nothing but the reverse of this. That is the block diagram of dual binary pulses. Okay, and based on this block, we will do some numerical. Now see, this is the case. This is the same thing, same expressions we have mentioned here. Now, what is this BLP? Just now we have shown this BLP is nothing but this BLP voltage level. Okay, but some BLP cap is there. BLP some cap is there. BLP some cap. BLP cap means BLP cap denote the estimation of this. Why estimation? Because it may not be the exact one. That is why estimation of this. So that estimation is denoted by cap. Okay. Now, okay. Now we are here now. Okay. This BLP. How we are getting this BLP? We are just CL minus some formula is there. CL minus BL minus 1 P cap. BL minus 1 nothing but the previous one. If BL is the present bit, L minus 1 nothing but the previous bit. That's all. So CL minus the previous BLP. So how this thing, just this is the formula of BLP. These are the formula for the remaining things. Okay, just we have shown this, the last block diagram. Okay, now come to the numerical. First thing is that these are the bits. These are the bits. That means these are the nothing but your BL. Okay, this BL is passing through some line coder. So 0 will be assigned with -1 voltage level. Listen, -1 voltage level. Bit 1 is assigned with +1 voltage level. In that way, these things we are getting. Okay. Achha, one more thing is that there should be some lines in that in this manner. This is 1 TB. This is next one. Again, this is next one in that way. Okay. That means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 TBs are there. And these are the bits transmitted. They are nothing but BL, which has to be transmitted. Okay. So we don't have any idea about the previous bit, so we are considering it as 0. Always we have to consider some bit, either 0 or 1. So here it is considered as 0. Okay, you can try it by considering 1 also. Okay. So these are the bits. These are the voltage level. When the bits are passing through some line coder, we are getting this one at the output of the line coder. Okay. Now what is happening from the block? This is BL, this is BLP. So we have BL here, BL, line coder, BLP is there. Then what we should have? CL. CL is nothing but BL and this one. Hello? अच्छा हम लॉक कर दिए थे, एक सेकेंड. Hello, wait 1 minute. Hello. Hmm. So these are the beats, these are the voltage level. Then CL is what? The addition of two things. One is your BLP, one is the delayed version of BLP minus 1. Actually, okay, BLP minus 1 or B of L minus 1 P. That also you can write down. Okay, this is your CL, whatever it is. This is your CL. Notations you can change a little bit. Okay, this is now your CL, which is a summation of two things. One is the exact bit, one is the previous bit. So just you add, I'm adding these two things. One, this one. We are getting this one. Then this and this. We are getting this. Very simple thing. Just we are adding these two. We are getting this. We are adding these two. We are getting this like this. Like this, the process continues up to this. Okay. Now these are the bits, not bits. These are the voltage level which transmitted. Now this is CL, which is transmitted through the channel, and we are okay. This is the CL now. These bits are transmitted through the channel, and we are receiving the same bit. About this one, okay. Actually, this thing, as I told you, these bits are transmitted actually. Okay, we don't have any idea about the previous one. So the previous one you have to consider. So whether we are receiving this 0 or not, okay, that is not the, we are not bothered about that bit, because that bit is, we are not transmitting. That means what? The first bit we are not transmitting. So the for the first one, it is -1, okay, voltage level, but we cannot say about this. Is it? We cannot say about this because we don't have the idea about the previous one also. So actually, this will be the question, that these are the bits which are transmitted. Explain the working principle of geo-binary pulse, or whether you are getting back the original bits or not, that you verify in that way. That is why main thing is that main bits are these. These we are assuming. Similarly, okay. So after that voltage level, after that just addition of these two, we have this one as your summation of the two things, BL and BL minus 1. Then, and that same thing is, these voltage levels are transmitted. Now this is your now nothing but your CL. This CL is transmitted. These are your CL. This CL is transmitted, and we are receiving that CL as it is, or with some error. Okay. So we are considering that as it is we are receiving this one. This -2 0 0 2 zeros, and here also zeros. So we are receiving as it is the CL. So this row we are denoting by only CL without any error. And the next thing we will consider that with some error also we may receive. Okay, suppose 2 was transmitted due to some noise, 0 we are receiving. Okay, so this bit or this voltage level is in error now. So with error we are denoting it by RL. That's all. Okay. Now what is our target? After getting back or after receiving CL without any error, or RL with error, that means either this line without any error or this row with some error. Okay. From that, our target is to get back the original voltage level. Okay. And from the voltage level, our target is get back the bit stream which was transmitted. So how to get the original voltage level? So this is the expression. Okay. If no error, without error. This is the expression if with error. Okay. This is the expression without any error. This is the expression with error. Now, if these two expressions are, these are the algorithm written in the duo binary structure, or these are coming from the programs. Okay. Now, this is your now CL. This is nothing but your RL. CL minus the previous BL minus 1 P. That means what? The previous polar form. So previous polar is this one. That means minus 2 minus 1. We will have this bit minus 1, 0. Then again what? This 0, this 0 minus the previous one, this one, previous voltage level. So 0 minus 1. So it's nothing but this minus this. You will have this one. Similar way, 2 minus this one. We will have this one. In that way, we are getting this row also. Hello. আচ্ছা আমার একটু লেট হবে, আমি একটু ক্লাসে আছি একটা 10-15 মিনিট মতো লাগবে। ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে আমি হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ okay. Now again we are getting back this row also. That means these are subtract these rows minus these values, previous values. Okay, then this minus this, we are getting this one. Okay, this minus this, we are getting this one. In that way, we are getting this row also. Okay, for when error is there, wait Arif, I'm telling you. Now okay, this row it's okay, I think. The next thing is that we are considering this one with error. So again, this minus 2 minus 1, we have this one. 0 minus 1, we have this one. In that way, it's going. This row also the same way completed using these two formula. Okay. After that, now we have this polar rows. Okay, polar. This is nothing but polar. So polar to binary. Binary means we will get back the BL. So this minus 1 is nothing but 0. Minus 1 will be 0. 1 will be digit 1. This is voltage 1. This is digit 1. This is voltage. These are digits. Okay. So what we have seen here for this minus, okay, if there is no error, same thing we are receiving, that is a 0 1 1 0 1, that was transmitted 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, but if error is there, where error introduced? At this bit. That means at this TB. Actually, this is nothing but this duration is nothing but your TB. So due to this minus, we have here 0. as per the voltage level to bit conversion, voltage level to bit, that conversion we are getting 0 here. Okay, similarly this plus 1 will give you this 1 and minus 1 will give you 0. So why only these three? Because here it is introducing error. For all the bits we will have some error, because how we are getting this 0? We are getting this 0 from this minus 1. And how we are getting this one? Subtracting this minus this, or this particular thing, this 0 minus this, but this is in error, so there will be error. So here error introduced, so this minus this, then this is already error term. So this minus this is this one, this minus this is this one, so error will continues. And these are the voltage level, these are the bit stream, so definitely voltage level is converted into bit stream. So if error is here in the voltage level, also error will be there also, and it continues. So this is known as error propagation. So this is known as error propagation. Okay, and this error will propagate in the case of duo binary block, or duo binary signal. But what we can change here, how to prevent the error within a single bit only. We are not interested to allow it to propagate. We are interested to fix the error in a particular bit. If suppose this is in error, so only there will be some error. Error should not propagate. So that will be our target now. So just in the second, how to remove this error propagation problem, how to control over this. Nothing but we are adding one more block there. That's all. This block is added. That's all. Okay. This you see nothing but some feedback. So from the basics of feedback, what you know, feedback is used to improve the system output. Okay. So here also system output will be improved, because we will see in this numerical that we will see that error will not propagate. Error will be fixed at some particular bit. It will not propagate to the next bit. So same way we are going to do. One more thing you have to listen carefully here, that for this duo binary, this is actually known as pre-coding. Okay, means in the previous block there is no pre-coding technique, but in this block there is a pre-coding technique. Okay, that pre-coding block is nothing but your this one. Within 10 minutes I will finish. This block is nothing but your pre-coding block, or used for the pre-coding. Okay, one more thing, that is detection rule. This is the fixed detection rule for this kind of duo binary. This duo binary is actually known as differential encoding. It's in your syllabus. Listen, differential encoding. Okay, so this is your duo binary. This is your actual duo binary. Okay, without any pre-coding block. This is also duo binary, or duo binary with pre-coding technique. Then duo binary with pre-coding technique is known as differential encoding. This portion is duo binary, this portion is pre-coding. Together it is known as duo binary. Differential encoding technique. Okay, for this differential encoding technique, or modified duo binary, you can say better. Modified duo binary. Modified means precoder is added. Precoding technique is added. For this case, some detection rule is there. This is the detection rule. Okay, BL, estimated BL will be 0 or 1 depending on the received bit. These are nothing but received bit. Okay. Now, just a little bit. Okay, one thing is that here, okay, this block is nothing but your precoder, and the function of the precoder is your AL, which is a XOR between, listen carefully, XOR between BL and A of L minus 1. BL and A of L minus 1. That means this is your BL. This is your BL and this is your A of L minus 1. We are getting AL. So AL is what? Nothing but the precoding between two bits, BL and A of L minus 1. Okay. Now we have this expression. We know CL. What about CL? Now we are moving forward. That we are considering first that these are the bits which has to be transmitted. Okay, and these bits will this bit, and we are assuming some bit here 1. XOR between these two, we are getting this one. XOR between these two, we are getting this one. From the block I am doing, that's all. Okay, DL and A of L minus 1. XOR between this one, we are getting this one. Like that way, in that way, we are finishing this row. Then on this row is now nothing but what? Which one? This row is now nothing but AL. Going through some line coding technique, and we are getting ALP and AL minus 1P, whatever. You see here, now this is your bits, this is your voltage level, 0 is minus 1, 1 is 1, in that way. Okay, now addition of two bits, that means these two bits we are adding, these two bits we are adding, so here 2, in that way. So this is nothing but addition, is nothing but using this block, CL, we are getting actually CL, AL minus 1, that one. So that addition we are doing. Okay, after that we are getting this is this row, addition of these two here, addition of these two here, in that way. Okay, now we are directly we are transmitting this one, so we may receive this one without any error, or we may have some error in this bit. So this row is without any error, this row is with some error. Two things here, just we are transmitting this one, we are receiving this row without error, this row with error. Error is introduced here. From the detection rule, just to follow the detection rule, that detection rule of this differential encoding, that if 2 is there, then 0 was transmitted, the detector will consider. If 0 was there, okay, in the voltage level, then 1 was transmitted, in that way detection will consider. For 0, this is 1. For 2, wrong bit, error bit, this is 0. So there is, again for 2, this is 0, this is for 2, this is 0. So there is no error propagation. Error is introduced in this bit, and this is only here. It is not propagating. Okay. So this is your what? Voltage level. This is your some bits. Okay. And this detection rule is nothing but when CL or RL is 2s or 0s, at that time what will be your detected bit, 0 or 1? That is the detection rule that is here actually. That is actually here, this one. Okay, CL plus minus 2, then it will BL will be 0. CL 0, BL will be 1. Okay, in that way it is completed. Okay, today okay, one more thing, just to take give me the attendance screenshot of this. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay, send me the send me the screenshot. Okay. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
send me the screenshot. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you ask in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, today I'm leaving.
Okay, sir.
बहुत सुंदर है, बुझ गई।